Social media is a powerful tool for connecting with others and promoting your business, but it also comes with risks. Without proper precautions, your accounts and sensitive information could be at risk. Here are 4 essential tips to help you stay safe on social media. Number 1. Use strong passwords and enable MFA. A weak password is one of the easiest ways for hackers to gain access to your social media accounts. Use a unique, complex password for each account and enable multi-factor authentication, MFA, for an extra layer of security. This ensures that even if someone guesses your password, they'll still need an additional code to log in. Number 2. Be mindful of what you share. The more information you share on social media, the easier it is for cyber criminals to target you. Avoid posting sensitive details like your address, phone number, or travel plans. Cyber criminals often use this type of information for phishing scams or identity theft. Number 3. Keep your accounts updated. Social media platforms regularly release updates to fix security vulnerabilities. Make sure your accounts and associated apps are always running the latest version. Also, periodically review and update your account privacy settings to control who can see your posts and personal information. Number 4. Watch for phishing scams. Cybercriminals often use fake messages, links, or profiles to trick users into providing sensitive information. Be cautious when clicking on links or responding to messages from unfamiliar accounts. Verify the authenticity of any communication, especially if it seems urgent or too good to be true. By following these tips, you can significantly reduce the risks associated with social media and enjoy a safer online experience. If you have questions about securing your social media accounts or your business's online presence, give our team a call. We're happy to help.